$20 a piece. So some smalls there, definitely profitable items, but my favorite find for sure was at that last sale where I found this. Yeah. Earnhardt. That's kind of cool. Little lanterns. Converse. It's very stiff, Doc McStuffins. It's like, yeah, it's interesting. Probably. Probably. How much are the shoes?
I'm sorry?
How much?
5.
5? How about Doc McStuffins?
She's 5.
She's 5. Yeah.
Just because she's electronic.
Is she?
Yeah. I believe she is, yeah. Right?
Mm. What about the DVD player?
That's the Blu-ray? It's
Yeah.
10.
10?
There's a bin of stuff.
Oh yeah? Is this?
Is, I think the box stuff is
I don't know, I couldn't tell. It felt like just like, I don't know, I've never seen something like that. It's an interesting thing.
You need a mandolin?
Mandolin as in musical?
No, the no.
No. Do you have change for a 20 if I do the shoes and the Blu-ray?
Yep.
That's 15?
Yep.
Thanks. How's it going? Sudoku. Oh, that's pretty cool. Marlboro Unlimited. Is there a tag on it? It's like it says like based on the color of the tag. 100 cents.
Saves a lot of writing.
I didn't see a mark on it though. I didn't know what color it was.
I don't know. How did 50 cents grab you?
Perfectly. Let's see what else I can find there.
Don't want to sell the air compressor, do you?
No.
Alright.
No.
I'd like to get a big one like that. How much do they run like that, right?
Yeah. But after a while, I'm not sure.
Blue, 100 cents.
Oh, you got it turned on first.
Oh, there you
there you go. It comes with a remote, too.
I have 50 cents.
Okay, cool. I'll probably need it. Let me
Canteen.
see what else I can find first. Garage door seal. Okay. Yeah, that's fun. Some plates. They got a Rubik's Cube, Tina. A Rubik's Cube. A Tupperware sandwich holder for a quarter. Yes, that's cool.
Why is that?
That was easy. What is that?
Does it come? I don't know much.
Kind of cool. How many cents is it? 100? 50. Green is 50 cents. We're learning the coding.
Do you want it?
Yes. Yeah, I think it's good. That's kind of nice. Is this a neighborhood sale or just you guys?
It's just us. We're
Okay.
downsizing.
Ah, okay. Are you moving away?
Just a few quick.
Oh, okay. Well, this is a cool little roll-up chessboard. Little stamps, checkers, yeah, chess checkers. You could use it for either, I guess. Alright, so we got 50 cents, $1, $2, I think. Yeah. Blues, 100, yeah, so $2. What's green? $2.50. Just wanted to see these filters really quick.
That's the whole thing for.
Oh, it's a whole humidifier thing. Okay. 1, 2, and then 50 cents.
Okay, thank you.
Okay. I think that's it.
There was a box for that if you want the box.
Oh, was there?
Yeah.
Oh, is this black one probably?
Yes, I
Are they?
think so.
Okay, cool. All right, cool. Thank you guys. Good luck with your move.
Thank you very much.
Did you already
We'll see
sell
you
or
down
not
there.
yet?
Yeah, we did.
It sold. Ooh, it sell quick.
Yep.
Yeah, everything sells quick now. Later.
Thank you. Tabby.
Hey,
Morning. I don't know. We parked over there. Is that okay?
that's okay, yeah.
Okay. Okay. Yeah. Ah. Okay.
You can back your vehicle and we can load it up.
There you go.
That's the plan.
What does it say? Sorrel. Kind of beat up.
They were asking women groups to like adopt the
Oh, a little bit.
He was
Chest, that's cool. Super soaker. That is cool. I had one of these, the CPS 2000. In my dreams when I was a kid, I would have gotten this one.
You're never too old.
That's right. I got kids I can squirt with it. What is this? Handy cam. Are you getting these shoes?
Yeah.
Okay.
This one
Gotcha.
was nice.
No, you're fine. Tina, Super Soaker. Remember this? Yeah. Prepare yourself. Oh, this is
They
nice.
have good chairs for only $3. I just wish they had more.
What kind of chairs?
Those black leather.
Oh, yeah. You sure they don't have more they didn't bring out?
Okay, sure. What do we got? $6?
Yeah. I know. That,
Good morning.
Morning, how are you?
I'm well. Hope you are.
Michelle Silverstein.
you know, Shell?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's classic.
Isn't it though?
Yeah.
I saw those and went, wow. It's been years since I read any of his stuff.
I might get that. Add it to my collection
Here
here.
you go.
He was just telling me about the author.
Yeah, yeah.
Let me put it right there on that table so you don't.
Okay, cool.
Yeah, just go ahead.
I got a whole bunch of stuff.
Perfect. Well, you're going to be our new best friend today.
And I had this football. Well, you can.
The football.
Oh, it's. Yeah, that's fine.
Yeah.
Just making sure.
Okay.
So, and then this didn't have a price.
So, let me ask, Scott, we need to find out how much this should be. I don't, you need to find out who's,
I don't have a clue who's that yours in?
Yeah.
How much?
Works for me. Sold.
There you go.
All right, so
So we
1,
got-
5,
Yeah,
6,
like me.
7, 8, 9, 10, and then $6 there, so 16.
16? That
Yeah.
works for me. Here.
I have a 20. I don't know if you have
I got some,
4 singles.
yeah, here.
The books in there. And the football. Oops.
I think the books are a score.
I think they're cool. Yeah.
Yeah.
Cool. Perfect. Thank you.
There you go. Thank you so much. Yes,
Super soaker.
super, super. Back in
I'm very excited. Yeah.
there.
They're not both up there, or what?
I probably should buy that. Hmm. I don't know. I guess I'll get it.
We have $1. Sorry. That's okay. That's okay.
Wait, how much you spending?
$1.
Here.
Thank you.
Thank you.
I got this knife too. $2.
Perfect. Thank you so much. $2?
Hey everyone, Dave here, and I'm back from the yard sales, and so are you. Did you enjoy them? I hope you did. Really awesome find there at the end. We'll talk about the beginning a little bit, a lot of little smalls. I got a little DVD player I can sell for $40 or a Blu-ray player. I got, you know, some cool little compass thing. I don't even know what it's worth. I have to figure out what that's worth. Some little Tupperware that we're probably gonna use for school. And then also got a slide viewer and a canteen that both sell for like 15 to 20 a piece. So some smalls there, definitely profitable items, but my favorite find for sure was at that last sale where I found the Super Soaker CPS 3000. That was like my fantasy Super Soaker when I was a kid. I could never afford that version because it was like the heavy duty, you know, extreme water hose fire hose version of squirt gun back when I was a kid. I thought that was such a cool find. Now, That thing sells for like $300 in working condition, but I have now thoroughly tested it and it leaks at the bottom, all along the bottom. I'm not sure if I can repair it and maybe glue it. I did find some that sold for parts for like $150 anyway, so it's still got good value, 100 to 150 for parts. So I'm still gonna make a huge profit on it, but I would have loved to really play with it and, you know, have some fun squirting the kids. But when I try, like, it actually holds pressure and it shoots really hard, but that leaking just gets all over the shooter, so it's kind of disappointing. But it was still an awesome find, and it was like kind of one of my bucket lists. Like, I want to find a big Super Soaker at a sale, and I did. And pretty much any Super Soaker you find, you can sell for good money, so definitely keep your eye open for that. Got a bunch of other cool stuff at that sale too. Those Shel Silverstein books, I bundled them together. Some were first edition. Should be able to get 20 to 30 bucks for those. I got the this random knife. I don't know why I was called to this knife. I haven't even looked it up yet. I just was like, I like this knife, because I think I was thinking I'd keep it if it wasn't worth anything. What is it even called? It doesn't even have a name. It just says stainless, Japan. It just looked like a good knife for brisket and stuff, but it might be a good knife. I have to look it up. Oh, I also got that Auric Excel vacuum, which I think sells for 60 bucks or so, and I got the little football that we were just gonna play with. I think I could sell it too, though, because I looked it up and it does sell for like 20 bucks or something like that. So all in all, some good finds. Make sure you subscribe to my NC Flipper channel as well as this channel. The NC Flipper channel is where I actually talk about what's sold. And also I have a TikTok now, so follow that. NC Picker is what it is. It might be good eventually. Right now I'm still learning. So yeah, thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye.